So we're cutting the steerer. Got it in the jig, got it marked 3 times, cut once. Let's get it slammed. That is cut. Be careful with carbon fibre, it's pretty toxic. Don't breathe it in. And bit of a rough cut there. We'll get some sandpaper, we'll smooth it down. So let's get some sandpaper, sand that off. And then this one here has got a long plug in there. I'm yet to cut that, but the plug goes very deep in that one. There we go. Two and a bit fingers width, not much there at all. That is slammed. About 2.5mm from the top. Sweet. Did this down by rubbing it in like on the bricks, on the wall. Just like this, in a circle motion. And I just took a couple mil off, and it did nice and flat. Look at that. Tuned parts, extra light, extra slammed. There we go. And this plug, it goes about, so it goes under. So a safe plug. So the plug is in. It's well supported at the back. I sanded the edges off a bit, made it a bit lighter, not gouging into the carbon. And that is how we slam. That's how we slam. Schnitzel. Schnitzel? That's not your pizza. Oh, Jesus. Schnitzel.